Hi, in this video we are going to show you how to manage your garage business using Tally Prime accounting software. When you log into Tally, we have made this module for garage management. You can open that. You can create your master for vehicle brand technicians from here. You can also record your transaction. When you go to transaction, let's say I want to create a job card for the customer who is Hakimuddin. When I select customer, all of their vehicles will appear in the list automatically. I will select the vehicle. If you want to record kilometer driven, you can do it. If you want to select technician, it is fine. Then you will say that, okay, what are you doing? So let's say I am recording oil change. So here I am doing oil change. So I need one oil filter. And then I need oil. So I don't have oil. So let's see how we can easily create it from this. So here when you click on it, if you don't see an item, you can very easily create it. Let's say I want to record oil. And it is measured in liters. The standard price for oil, my purchasing price is 10 and let's say my selling price is 15 per liter. Once you have entered this information, accept, then I will just write oil and I can say this, I'm using 4 liters of oil and automatically the amount will be calculated. Once you have finished entering this, if you want to enter service charge, you can also enter that service charge, and maybe the service charge is 50 dirhams for changing the oil, and in the end you can enter the tax. So the tax will be calculated. Now this is the job card which is created. I want to accept and the job card is saved. Next step, you want to make sales invoice. Select the sales customer. Automatically job card will come here in the list. Select it and all the items from the job card will automatically come in the sales invoice. If you also want to record receipt of money at this point, if the customer is making a payment, you can say yes, I want to record automatically a receipt. This is cash received from the customer and the amount is same as 178.5. Once everything is entered, you can accept it, and that is it. Now let's say if you want to print it, if I want to print this invoice, if I click on Control P, this is a sample invoice which has been already created in the system, where I can see all the items that I selected, and tax will be calculated automatically as per the tax requirement. If you are also giving credit invoices, then you can select your bank information and that will also print on your invoice automatically. This is about recording your vehicles and transactions related to them. When you come to reports, you will be able to see vehicle wise history. If you select any vehicle, you can see that, okay, this person has come for a brake pad change for me, and then for an oil change on what date, and then what was the kilometer driven if you have mentioned it. Similarly, you can see it customer wise. If your customer has more than one vehicle, then all the customer vehicle will appear in this report. If you want to filter this for any vehicle or for any item, so you want to see when was the last time brake pad was changed, so I can just simply come here and select brake pad, and then it will show me for which job card the brake pad change was recorded. This is about the vehicle management, about job cards and invoicing. For creating other payments, you can simply go here and record other payments very simply. So let's say on 1st of September, I am making a payment. I don't have a ledger here. Then I want to create one for my expenses. Let's say I want to call it food expense. So then let's say how much amount we are paying, 75 for food. Very good. And I can simply accept and the payment entry is done. Similarly, you can record your purchases very easily. Click on the purchase and here is the supplier invoice number. Let's say I want to create a supplier called Divya Auto Parts. Once you have created a supplier, you can select the items that you are buying. So let's say I want to buy brake pads from them for my customer, 4 pieces, 100, and I also want to get oil filter. And this I want to buy 10 pieces from them. Once you finish recording all the items, in the last line you can enter VAT and the tax will be calculated automatically. All this information is entered, you can click on accept and the purchase will be saved. Similarly, I will record one more purchase for the oil. So let's say I want to record it from same customer, from same supplier, sorry. And here I can enter how much oil. So let's say we purchase 100 liters, example. And then I enter tax and save it. Saving is by clicking on accept, and there are a lot of shortcuts on the keyboard. All these letters which are appearing here, they will be used as shortcuts. If you look at your reports now, so very quickly, stock summary, then you can see which items you have in stock and how much, what is the total value of stock you have. You can also see your company profit and loss. So what is the sale, what is the cost, how much is the expense, and what is the profit. You can also see your company balance sheet and many other reports which will be listed here in this. For more information on this garage module, get in touch. We will be more than happy to assist you. For any questions, you can also go to tally.ae website and drop us a question there and we will get back to you with the answers from there. Thank you. I'm Hakeemuddin from Safety Computers Dubai. Have a nice day.